Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and thank you for joining me on this training video for Commission Accelerator. Now, the next program I'm going to join is Affiliate Mentor, and it's $25 for this. Now, I don't know if this is actually a subscription service or not, but let me just fill out this live, and it's wanting a phone number. Let's fill this out live and see what happens. So create my account. Right. Now apparently you can earn $500 daily, but this is dependent on how many people you've got in your downline. Let me just check this information. There's a 30-day guarantee. It doesn't really say if it is a subscription or not. So we're going to sign up for this, and I'm going to click finish my order. We need an address. Actually, I forgot to fill out that, but right. Finish my order. Right, so I'll just pause this video while I go through this training just to find out if this is actually a subscription service, because it looks like they're trying to upgrade me to VIP, and there's another link here to upgrade. So let me just pause this video while I watch this introduction. Okay, so it looks like the Affiliate Mentor program is actually run by a traffic site called Traffic Authority. The people at Traffic Authority have something to do with Affiliate Mentor. This is actually a good thing, because Traffic Authority will provide quality traffic, and that's something I'm going to cover later in this video. The traffic is expensive though. It's over $1 a click, and that is quite expensive. And there's a little snapshot of the actual package, the traffic package. Let me just see if we can scroll through that. Yeah, $400 a month, 105. So you can buy monthly traffic to this. That's something I would consider once you've got the Commission Accelerator up and running and it's actually creating generating income. Then it would be good to reinvest the money in that. When you join Affiliate Mentor, they will try to upgrade you to Pro. I wouldn't do that at the moment. Yeah, and there's a Spark thing here as well. We've got a training vault, which does actually have all these different videos in it. So I do encourage you to go through these videos. I'm actually trying to work out if this is actually an actual... Okay, so this is the first page you go to. They try to upgrade you to VIP. I would just go to step 2. What I don't like about Affiliate Mentor is the actual videos are a bit... they feel like... let me click on autoresponder. We don't have any Leadsleap, so I don't need to worry about that. I want to go to my actual administration area to find out if this is a subscription. We can connect to GetResponse, which is lucky because I do actually have a GetResponse account. No, it doesn't say. There must be somewhere I can go into check that. Oh yeah, let's check the billing. See, it doesn't say it doesn't say if it is recurring. It just says it's not applicable. So maybe it's not a recurring product. So that's actually quite good, because that means we can control our expenditure. So what I suggest you do when you go into Affiliate Mentor is go to Spark, not Spark. Go to the is it Spark modules? Yeah. No, it wasn't there. It was a training vault, wasn't it? Go to Spark and then go to the training vault and work your way through all these different things. I wouldn't, as I said before, I wouldn't spend too much money on this at the moment. What we're doing is just setting the funnel up, And then when we generate commissions, then we're going to use them to reinvest, and that's very important because you don't want to spend too much money setting this up. I don't know how much this is going to cost me yet because I haven't done the maths. I thought at first it would be 150, but I don't think it might. I don't think it's as much as that because some of these programs are not actually recurring commissions, which I thought they were to start with. So let me just try and log out of this. And yeah, log out of that and we'll move on to the next one. So just sign up for Affiliate Mentor.